Hi guys, I'm Alexa and I am Kayla, and today we're going to make an Air Vortex Cannon. So now we are going to get started on our project. Alexa, are you ready?
You bet.
Today we are going to make a project on an Air Vortex Cannon.
You already just said that.
I know. I know.
And then ready, all the materials already ready. And let's get started.
Make a hole at the bottom of the bucket.
And this is the hole. Yeah.
Let's try to cut it.
And cut it.
No. It might break. No.
So we finished cutting the hole. This one. And now we're going to make the holes in the bottom of the bucket. So we need to measure it. Measure from here. Here, and it's about like this. No, this, and then it's like 5 meters.
cm.
Yeah, 5 cm. Thank you for correcting me. And other side is the same. And then we make the holes. 2 of the holes. So how do we make holes? We make holes with the nail, with the heated nail. Be careful. If you want to do it, make sure to do it with elbows. Looking good. Oh yeah. So we have finished putting holes on the bucket, and then we finish with what have we done? Yeah.
We have made two small holes on each side of the bucket.
And you'll know it later. It's a surprise. And then.
So now we're going to push the raincoat halfway through the middle of the bucket. We're going to mark it at the tip and then cut it off.
Yes, that's correct. It's quite messy right now, so we take another tablet. Yeah. Oh, it's very shiny today. So we got some great views. Just use the edible, durable plastic.
Make sure there are no holes in it.
Yeah. We're going to make a big circle out of the rain.
Big circle.
Yes.
So we'll do 2 holes to make it more durable.
Okay, and then cut.
Oh,
What have we done?
we have cut the circumference on the raincoat.
On the raincoat. So what are the next steps?
Next, we are going to reinforce the raincoat by using cellophane tape.
Okay, so now we're going to make holes in on this plastics.
Mineral bottle.
Yeah, mineral bottle. And then we're going to use it with the heated nail. Oh, sorry.
Check if it's locked or something.
Oh, okay. Excuse me. Oh.
Yeah.
Be careful.
Or not. Oh, sorry.
So this is the result of a reinforced raincoat. We use sellotape.
Yes, that's simple.
Yes, it's that simple.
Simple as it sounds.
It looks very nice.
And now, what next again? You see, we already cut the circle, reinforced. Oh, attach the spring to the bucket and the bottle. Yeah. So far, so good. Let's do it. Make 2 holes. We already made 2 holes in this on this bottle. And then we're going to use this. Yeah.
We're gonna
Oh, right.
make the handle.
Put it beneath the rain cars.
Yeah. Before any of that, we're going to put the mineral bottle under the raincoat and screw it.
I'm taking this one because the next step is make a handle for the bucket. Yeah. So we use this wooden stick. And this wooden stick. And we use this nails. Yeah, like makeup. Okay. And then now these holes that we're making is the for the handle. So let us get started. First we need, if we use this one, like this right, then we use it.
And then you can explain, you explain it, what I'm doing now.
Right now, we are putting some glue stick on the nail to make it more safer, so we don't get injured, possibly injured, while going on with the experiment further. We are going to tape the raincoat onto the mouth of the bucket. This is our progress.
Hi. Yeah, we're busy doing this. So as you can see, those are very messy. We all are messy right now, but thankfully, we finished all of this. Can't wait to finish it all. Let's just get all this shit out. Okay. And now before our last step, we're going to make this. Yeah, as I mentioned, it's a force. It's an elastic force that was produced by this spring. So we're going to hold it.
I'm trying not to stab myself. You know what? I think I need to make a bigger hole before I start using.
So small, maybe should put some light.
Right now, we are gluing the handle. We are waiting for it to dry under the nice fan. It's lovely.
We finally finished it
After such a long
time of hard time. So this is the result of all the hard work. This is the so-called of Air Vortex Cannon. Air Vortex Cannon. It shows, it's a good example. Shows how air moves and how does the air work. Since it's very difficult to think because it's invisible. So what theory that are we going to make? Like, can we shoot an air? This is the great example. You can see that it's moving. Yeah.
There is movement present.
When there's a force applying to the air vortex